Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in GK video. And children, this is my second video of this week. Yes, children. Today in this video, you all are going to do the revise. Yes, already you all know, children. I have taught you the GK portion. So now revision is going on. So today in this video also you all are going to revise. So children, as a revision, today you all are going to do the question answers. Yes, you all have to write the questions answer in your copy. Okay, so let us start. Like first one is here, which is the largest animal in the world? Do you know, children? And also you, as you can see in this picture, children, which is the largest animal in the world? Yes, the blue whale is the largest animal. So we, in the place of which, you all have to write the blue whale. Okay, children? And same as you can write the largest also animal in the world. Only, children, in the place of which you all have to write what? The blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Okay, in a sentence you all have to write the question answer. And I have taught how you all have to write. Like which is there, so you all have to, in the place of which, you will write the answer, the blue whale, and then after same thing is the largest animal in the world. Okay, children? Also they have what they have big herds. They can weight as such as 30 elephant, and also they have biggest babies on earth. Okay, children? So what? Blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Now come to the next. Which is the holy book of Sikh, children? Do you know? Yes, the Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. And do you know the places of worship? Where do they go to pray, children? Yes, Sikh go to Gurudwara. They go to Gurudwara. Guru. Guru, Dwara. Gurudwara. Okay, Sikh go to Gurudwara to pray, and their holy book name is Guru Granth Sahib. So in the same, children, in the place of what? Which, you all have to write Guru Granth Sahib. The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. Okay, you all. So Guru Granth, Guru, Guru, Granth, Granth, Guru Granth. Sahib, Sahib, Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. And also you can see here is the picture. There is a picture of Bhagavad Gita. And children, Hindus holy book name, which is the holy book of Hindus? Yes, the Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindu. And children, Christian, what? Which is the holy book of Christian? What you will say? The Bible is the holy book of Sikh. Okay, the holy book of Christian is the Bible, and so the Bible is the holy book of Christians. Okay, children? So that's why here is written which is the holy book of Sikh. You all have to say the Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. Now move to the next. Which type of tool do you use to drive in nails, children? Yes, you all use, as you all know, children, what? Different types of we use different types of tools, and it saves our times. Okay, it saves our times. So we use different types of tools in different work. So that's why, like here is written with what? Hammer is a tools which is used to drive nail. Okay, which is used to drive in nails. So which type of tools you use to drive in nails? You will say we use hammer. We use hammer, 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 to drive in nails. And this is a picture of handsaw. And also, children, handsaw is the tool of carpenters. It is also known as the, children, what? Panel saw, and it is used to cut the pieces of woods. Okay, so there is written which type of tools you use to drive in nails. You all will say hammer. We use hammers to use the drive in nails. Now move to the next. Where do you go to play? Children, where you all like to play, children? Yes, we go to park to play, children. Yes, park or playground. And also children, park and playgrounds and park provide not only only a safe place for children to excel. They are also energy, have fun and interact with peers. Okay, they meet with their friends. Okay, and play in and also children, play is an essential part of the child development. So children, where do you go to play? You all will say we go to park or playground to play. Okay, there you can see the what different equipments like swing, seesaw, merry-go-round, okay, slide. So where do you go? You all will say we go to park or playground to play. Now move to the next. What are the things required to make a kite? Here is written, children. Also you can see paper, string and bamboo dowels. Dowels, you can see here is the piece of bamboo, that is called bamboo. Dowels are used to make a kite. And also you will use what? Lasses, okay, and knife, but you will write here paper, string and bamboo dowels are used to make a kite, And also children, what do you know about this? A kite need wind to fly. Okay, it need to wind to fly in the sky high. Now move to the next. Which type of animals depend on human for their food and shelter? What you all will say, children? Yes, domestic. Domestic, spelling of domestic, DOMESTIC. Domestic animals depend on human for their food and shelter, SHELTER. Why, children? Because domestic animals that can be tamed and are kept at home on the farm are also called domestic animal. Okay, and we get what it is used in different. Okay, we get many things like cow is a domestic animal, so you get milk from cow. Understood? So we kept it to our different purposes. Okay, they helps in different work. So it is a what tamed by the humans. So we all they are depend on human for their food and the shelter. Okay, now move to the next. Which park equipment do we use to swing back and forth? Yes, children, this is the picture of swing, SWING, swing. Okay, children, and also what, children? Swing. Yes, swing is a seat suspended, is a type of seat suspended by ropes or chains on which someone may sit and swing back and forth. Okay, children. So what you will say? We use swing to back and forth. Okay. So there is written swing, SWING, swing. Now come to the next. Which part of the plant carries water and mineral from root to other parts of the plant? What you will say, children? Yes, stem. Stem carries water. Yes, stem carries water and mineral from roots to other parts of the plants. It get what minerals and water from root, and after that it sent to other parts of the plant like bud, leaves, branches, okay, fruit. So stem carries water and minerals from root to other parts of the plant. Now move to the next, children. What does fruit contains? Children, fruit contains seed, SEEDS, seeds. Okay. Also, children, fruits protect, they ripen as seeds matures. Fruits help plants spread seeds out, and fruits also falls off trees and start new fruits plant. Okay, so what does fruit contains? You all will say fruits contain seeds. Fruit contains seeds. Now move to the next. Where is the India Gate situated? Do you know, children? Yes, the India Gate is situated in New Delhi. And you all know, children, New Delhi is the capital of India. And also India Gate is an important monument of the Delhi city. Why? Because it is memorial built in commons. What? It is situated in New Delhi. So India Gate is situated in New Delhi, and also, children, what? Lotus temple is also situated in New Delhi. So here is asking, where is the India Gate situated? You all will say the India Gate is situated in New Delhi. And also about this, children, it is the largest war memorial in India. Okay, and it was designed by the Edwin Lutyens, the chief architect of New Delhi. Okay, so it is the largest war memorial of in India. Okay, now move to the next. What do zebras eat? Yes, children, what do you know about the zebra? Zebra is the tallest animal on land. Okay, and they eat leaves, plant and grass. They eat leaves, plant and grass. Okay, why? Because they are what? Herbivorous. They eat the plants. Okay, so children, zebras eat leaves, plant and grass. And also, children, it is the what? Tallest animal on land. Its neck is what? Tall. Now move to the next. What are used to make tasks easier, children? What do you know about this? Yes, tools. Tools are used to make our work easier. It saves our time. And also, children, we use different types of tools in different work. Like, children, knife is used to cut the vegetable and fruits. Okay. After that, spade is used to dig the ground. Sickle is used to cut the grass. So you all know, children, what different tools are used in different work. Okay, so children, I hope, children, whatever I have explained in this video, the question number 1 to 12, with hope, children, you all have understood very nicely. So at last, once again, children, I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. Bye bye and have a good day.